Hello friends, in today's video we will be discussing the chapter 10 of physics, light reflection and refraction, NCERT science class 10th. So in this video we will be discussing the topics light, properties of light, reflection of light, laws of reflection, image, real image and virtual image, plane mirror, characteristics of plane mirror, spherical mirror and types of spherical mirror, convex and concave. So let's get started. First we need to know that what is light. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see. It is a form of energy which enables us to see. Then properties of light. It is an electromagnetic wave. It does not require any medium. It means that it can travel in a vacuum also. It is an electromagnetic wave. Light tends to travel in a straight line. It always tends to travel in a straight line. It has a dual nature. Light casts shadow. This we know. The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 the raised to the power 8 meter per second. This is important. It can come in exams, so I am marking here. When light falls on object or any surface, these two things can happen: reflection or refraction. When light falls on an object, two things can happen: reflection or refraction. So what is reflection? When light bounces back after striking a polished surface, then it is called reflection of light. Then when light, this all we have studied in class 9th. I am just revising you this all. So what is reflection of light? When light bounces back after striking a polished surface, any polished surface, then we can say that reflection of light is done. Laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. This also we have studied in class 9th. The incident ray is always equal to the reflected ray, and second law is the incident ray, the normal and the reflected ray all lie in a same plane, on a same plane at the point of incidence. This we will study by a diagram. I have made it over here. This is point of incidence where incident ray, reflected ray and the normal meet each other. This is angle of reflection. This is angle of incidence. And 90 degree of the object, 90 degree, the an imaginary line passing at 90 degree of the object or a surface is called normal. The light which comes is called incident ray, and the bounces, and when it bounces back it is called reflected ray. So there are two laws. Incident ray is always equal to reflected ray. This means angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection, and the incident ray, the normal and the reflected ray all lie on the same plane. These all lie on the same plane at the point of incidence. This all we have studied in class 9th. So what is image? It is a point where at least two light rays actually meet or appear to meet. It actually meet or appear to meet. There are it requires two light rays, at least two required light rays to form a image. There are two types of images: real image and virtual image. Real image is formed when light rays actually meet. It cannot be obtained on screen. It is inverted. Inverted means उल्टी. It can be obtained on screen. हम इसको स्क्रीन पे ले सकते हैं, और ये तभी फॉर्म होती है जब लाइट रेस एक्चुअली मीट हो. तो वर्चुअल इमेज क्या होती है? वर्चुअल इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड व्हेन लाइट रेस appear to meet, when light rays appear to meet, not actually meet over here. It cannot be obtained on screen, as it cannot be appear to meet, so it cannot be obtained on screen. It is always erect. Erect means सीधी. Plane mirror. Next is plane mirror. It is a polished surface where reflecting surface of the mirror is plane. The characteristics of a plane mirror: it is always virtual and erect. The size of the object is always equal to that of an image formed. This we know. Virtual and erect means the light rays appear to meet over here, and it is erect means seedhi, behind same distance as the object, and it is laterally inverted. Spherical mirror: all mirrors whose reflecting surface is spherical is known as spherical mirror. Whose reflecting surface is burst in or bulged out is called spherical. So the reflecting surface whose reflecting surface is spherical is known as spherical mirrors. There are two types of spherical mirrors: concave and convex. This The spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is burst in is called concave mirror, and the spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is burst out is called convex mirror. This means that whose reflecting surface is curved in. Cave means cave. This is concave mirror, and this is convex mirror. So in next part we will study the terms related to spherical mirror. Thank you for watching my video, and pause the video to note it down.